Hello everyone. Today is an unboxing, but it's a review unboxing. I was contacted by Sophia from craftsyart.com. She asked me if I wanted to do a review of her products. So she told me I could choose two paintings that I wanted, but instead of choosing my own diamond paintings, I told her to surprise me with two animal paintings. So I know that there are two paintings in here, but I don't know which one. So let's hope I don't have these ones already. Otherwise, I have them twice. But if I do have them twice, I might do one for a giveaway when I reach 500 subscribers. So let's hope I don't cut any of the canvas. I'm gonna be careful if I do have that one. Oh, this one is in another packaging. Here we go. So I have two paintings. And I already see that this one I don't have, but it's this one. That's actually one that I wanted it so badly. It's been in my wish list for a really long time. So it's so funny that she actually picked that one. I wanted it for so long, this one, and yeah. Now I'm really happy now, and it's stuck to the thing. Okay, so I'm not paid, by the way, to give a good review or something like that. I'm gonna be honest, like I will always. So we have a standard kit with some baggies, wax, standard boat, and a drill. Then we have the drills, which is round, this one. So we don't have the DMC codes on the packaging here, but I do see them on the canvas. So we have, how much colors? 25 colors on this one, which is pretty much. It's a 40 by 50. So it's a cute little kitty with some flowers. I'm gonna do it a little bit higher because I didn't thought it would be a 40 by 50. Now you can see the entire thing. So how adorable is this? So it's a full, so you do the background too. As you can see, the drill field is clear, which is amazing. We all love that. And let's see if it's sticky. It's sticky. Yes, it is. You see that it is sticky. I'm not sure how much they were because, like I said, I wanted to be surprised, so I didn't look up how much it was because I didn't know which one I would get. But I will put the links down below from the paintings that I'm gonna show you. So if you are interested in buying these products from the store, you can get them there. Oh, this beautiful rose. I love that. I'm so happy. I am going to show you the drills. So if you don't like to see the drills, just skip this part to the next one. Because I know some of you don't like that, but since I didn't order that one and it's from a review, I wanted to show you the entire thing. So the colors are really beautiful. So it comes in two separate thingies. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags for the backgrounds. Yeah, that's a lot, and they are pretty full. Then we have two colors for 24, which is, I believe, for inside the white kitty. They are, no, it's not white, it's almost white. That is white. So that's for the inside of the kitty, like to fill the kitty. Then we have some yellow, some beautiful colors. Wow, this one is going to be gorgeous. So then we have some pinks, beautiful pinks. Yeah, there's gonna be so much color in this, and I love colorful paintings. That may be the reason why she chose a colorful painting. I don't know if which videos she watched, but she did pick this one. Very good. Yeah, it's beautiful colors. I love the pink ones. They're also gorgeous. Some gray. And then another yellow. That's for the flower, the big flower there. So yeah. The symbols itself. So we have a few. I'm gonna show you this side. It's gonna be easier. So we have a few symbols, but all the rest are like more the alphabet. We don't have any numbers, just the alphabet and some symbols, not too many. First look, it doesn't really anything. Maybe those two, it's gonna be confused when they lie really close together because they are almost the same color. I don't know if they are. No. A little bit in the flower maybe, and this flower, as you can see, they are really close together, so I'll have to be careful for that. But the rest, I think that will be okay. It doesn't seem like anything else I might be confused with. Those two I have to be careful with, but for the rest, yeah, it's a really beautiful painting. I'm so happy that I got this one. And where is my bag for my drills? Here. So there are 4 bags. Yeah, I'm so happy that she chose this one. Like I say, it's been in my wish list for quite some time now. And yeah, I finally got this one. After like 2 years maybe. No, not 2 years. Not been that long since I wanted this one, but it's quite a while. Okay. So that was number 1. The stones look really okay. I don't, at the first sight, I don't really see anything wrong with them. No holes, no... I don't know how to call it, but okay. So I'm gonna roll this one back up for now. No, I'm gonna do it the other way. So that was one that actually didn't have. So what's this one? Oh, it's a special one. Yeah, it's a special drill. I don't have that one too. She chose the right ones. So this is the one for this. So no baggies in this one. We have 10 different special stones. So this is the picture. So we have a beautiful special drilled peacock with some flowers. I love it. It's a partial one, so you only do some of the flowers, some of the butterflies there too, and the entire peacock. Yeah, but it's going to be beautiful. So we have some special drilled and some AB drums. Yeah, I love those ABs. So if you don't like the plastic, just mute the volume. Okay. So I'm gonna start with the normal ones. So we have some blue. Look at that shine. Look at that shine. So we have 4 blues. So 4 different colors of blue. That's all for the peacock. I think those are the ABs. Beautiful. And those are the other ones. I think those are for the flowers, maybe. Which number is this? 6. 6. Yeah, so those are the colors for the flowers. I thought it would be white, but no, it's not white. It's more orange and yellow. Then we have the special ones. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. And some beautiful AB. I love it. I love it. Where and again. Yeah, so I'm gonna check the stickiness of the canvas, the drill field, because it is not a full one. So let's do the peacock, since that is the biggest thing. Oh yeah, it's sticky. Ooh. And yeah, I will have to seal it, because with most partials it's otherwise it's gonna be sticking hair and all those kind of things, and I don't really like it. So it's a 30 by 50. I didn't measure the other one, which I am sorry about, but I am going to measure this one. Yeah, I don't have anything else for the moment, so I'm gonna use this thing. So it says that it's a 30. I'm sorry if you can't see that. So it says that it's a 30 by 50, but it's actually 23.5, and they say it's 50, but I imagine that it's maybe gonna be 20. No, it's 41. So the actual painting is 41 by 24.5. No, 24 almost. So yeah, it's not 30 by 50, but you can see that it's a really small picture. But I do like it. So I'm gonna put the information of the store down below. The paintings that I showed you, I'm gonna try to find on the store and put in the links down below, or maybe check my emails if I can find the link there. Yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day, evening or night, depending on where you live, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.